Understanding alternatives to parentheses. Embracing footnotes and endnotes. Hello everyone and welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the world of punctuation. Specifically, we'll be discussing an interesting topic: alternatives to parentheses, with a special focus on using footnotes and endnotes. This can be a powerful tool to ensure your writing is both clear and engaging. Before we delve into alternatives, let's revisit what parentheses do. Parentheses are used to include additional information within a sentence that can be helpful but is not crucial to the meaning of the sentence. However, sometimes, this additional information can disrupt the flow of your writing. That's where alternatives like footnotes and endnotes come into play. So, what exactly are footnotes and endnotes? Footnotes are notes placed at the bottom of a page in a book or document that comment on or cite references for a designated part of the text. On the other hand, endnotes are similar to footnotes but are placed at the end of a chapter, section, or entire work, rather than at the foot of the page. Now that we understand what footnotes and endnotes are, the next question is, when should we use them? You would typically use footnotes or endnotes in academic or professional writing to cite sources or to add supplemental information to the main text without interrupting the flow of the narrative. And finally, how do we use footnotes and endnotes in practice? Typically, a footnote or endnote is indicated in text by a superscript numeral following the punctuation of the sentence or clause that the note is in reference to. After the numeral, the writer gives the reference details or the additional information at the footer of the page for footnotes, or at the end of the chapter or work for endnotes. That's it for today's lesson. We hope this exploration of footnotes and endnotes as alternatives to parentheses has given you another tool in your writing arsenal. As always, remember to practice and use these in your daily writing. Until our next English grammar fundamental, keep learning and growing. Happy writing!